Are you making these common mistakes with ginger? Ginger, the zesty, aromatic spice, is a staple in many kitchens, renowned for its health benefits. However, like all good things, it's not without its pitfalls if not used correctly. Today, we're diving into the ginger dilemma, exploring 5 common mistakes people often make with this potent root. From overconsumption to incorrect preparation, we've got it all covered. So, if you're keen on keeping ginger in your diet, but want to do it right, stay tuned to find out if you're guilty of these ginger gaffes. The first mistake, and perhaps the most common, is overconsumption. Yes, ginger is packed with health benefits, but you know what they say, too much of a good thing can be bad. Consuming excessive amounts of ginger can lead to heartburn, stomach discomfort, and even diarrhea. So what's the right amount? As a general guideline, aim for no more than 4 grams of ginger per day. Remember, moderation is key when it comes to ginger. The second mistake many make is incorrect preparation. Ginger is a powerhouse of nutrients, but if not properly peeled or cut, these benefits can be compromised. Over-peeling can lead to nutrient loss, while under-peeling may expose you to pesticides and contaminants. Similarly, chopping ginger into large chunks instead of grating or mincing it can also reduce the availability of its potent compounds. So, remember to peel just right and grate or mince for maximum benefit. Proper preparation ensures you get the most out of your ginger. The third mistake is consuming ginger with certain medications. Ginger, while a natural remedy for many ailments, can interfere with drugs like blood thinners, diabetes medications, and high blood pressure drugs. This interaction may lead to unexpected side effects, altering the effectiveness of these crucial medications. So if you're taking any of these, it's important to have a conversation with your healthcare provider before you add ginger into your diet. Always check with your doctor if you're on medication and want to consume ginger. The fourth mistake is consuming ginger before surgery. You might be surprised to learn that ginger can slow down blood clotting. This means that it can lead to increased bleeding during and after a surgical procedure. It's a fascinating aspect of this root, but it's also a reason for caution. If you have a surgery planned, it's recommended that you steer clear of ginger at least 2 weeks prior. So, when it comes to going under the knife, remember, it's best to avoid ginger. The fifth mistake is consuming ginger during pregnancy. Research presents a mixed bag when it comes to the safety of ginger during these crucial 9 months. On one hand, some studies suggest it could be beneficial for morning sickness, while others highlight potential risks. This ambiguity underscores the importance of personalized healthcare advice. Every pregnancy is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. When pregnant, it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before consuming ginger. And there you have it, 5 common mistakes with ginger. From overindulging to improper preparation, these missteps can turn a health booster into a health hazard. Remember, moderation is key. Also, be mindful of how you're preparing your ginger, ensuring it's done in a way that maximizes its benefits. Lastly, don't forget to consult your healthcare provider when necessary, especially if you're on medications, planning a surgery, or expecting a baby. Keep these points in mind the next time you reach for that piece of ginger.